racing. Just started with Real Thunder. Very quickly to start moving upon the outside. Forgive me. Diagito comes next. Diamond Magic. Angelica pass forward. Decent proposal. Alchis Treasure while Shade of the Wind is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn. We have Forgive Me. Viral Link any half. Real Thunder is right behind in second. Diagito is down in third, then followed over by Diamond Magic. Pass forward is down on the inside. Jolly Cash, Decent Proposal. Alchis Treasure while Shade of the Wind is still running at the tail of the field. Back to the leader with Forgive Me. Over ahead, running by the release Diagito. Real Thunder is down in third, then followed over by Pass Forward. Jolly Cash comes next, moving upon the outside. Diamond Magic, then followed over by Decent Proposal. Shade of the Wind comes next, while Alchis Treasure is still running at the tail of the field. And the winner entering the home stretch, we have Forgive Me. Running by the rail is Diagito. Jolly Cash moving up in the middle portion. One of the long shots. With Diagito moving up is Jolly Cash. Real Thunder is on the outside. We have Jolly Cash moves up to take the lead. Diagito draws back in second, and finally it's Jolly Cash. Second close between Diagito and Real Thunder.
At meron nga tayong photo for second as you take a good look on Jockey MVP Chai. Pero bago yan, quarter clockings muna. 12 and a half, 25, 25, 29 and a half, 132 seconds flat ang Prema. And it's nice to see na itong si MP Chai nakakuha uli ng panalo. Medyo matagal din nagpanalo si M. Buti naman at this time nakasungkit na.
Komentado ang kabayong ito.
Yun ang isang napansin ko dyan, Coach. Kaya naman nakurso na dahil Jolly Cash.